Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Autodesk Maya tutorial how to animate. So as example, you can create the box objects or cube, and for the basic animate you can go to the timeline here. There are 120 frames. So for the first I will move to the first frame, and to set the keyframe you can press S button on keyboard. So be show for the red lines in the first frame. The next you can move to the 20 frame. After it, use the move tools to move the box objects like into here. You can press S buttons to set the positions. So it will be set for the keyframe. And if you move from the ones, it will be create the animation to the top here. Okay, we'll set again into 40. Okay, move the objects a bit. And then set the keyframes. Okay, move again into 60. Move to the bottom here. And the next set the keyframes and set again into 80. Move to this point. Now if you play, it will create the animations moving the cube objects like this. Okay, that's it for the basic Maya tutorial how to animate.